Hi dear parents and caregivers, welcome back to my channel, the Chill Love Corner channel. Today we'll be covering the formula feeding 101 and what actually is in the baby's formula and how to choose a good baby formula for your baby. Whether you are supplementing or exclusively doing formula feeding, this video will walk you through everything you need to know about formula feeding and how to choose a good formula for your baby. So quickly, simply, clearly, let's go into it. What is inside this formula? Number one, proteins. Most formula produce their own formula based on cow mix proteins, but they make it easier for babies to digest. And also soy-based and hydrolyzed proteins are also available in formulas. These ones are specifically for babies with sensitive tummy. Number two is carbohydrate. Yes, there is carbohydrate inside that baby formula you are giving to your baby. Usually lactose, but some formula uses corn syrup alternatively if your babies cannot digest the lactose that is similar to the one in breast milk. Number three is fat. Yes, fat inside your baby's formula. They are essentials for baby's brain development. You can see on the bottle or the container of your formula, you will see they wrote palm oil or soy oil, or it can even be sunflower based. So fats are essential for baby's growth and is inside the baby formula. Number four, vitamins and minerals. Yes, there is vitamins and minerals inside your baby's formula. They are all essential for baby growth. You can see vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin D. You can also see minerals like zinc, iron, calcium for your baby's growth. All are inside that baby's formula. Number five is additives. Yes, additive like DHA, ARA for brain and eye development, and also omega fatty acid are inside the baby's formula. And another thing is that some also add probiotics for gut health in the baby's formula. Now let's break down the types of formula you can find. Number one, cow milk based, the most common and often recommended first. Number two is soy based, a good choice for parents avoiding dairy or babies with milk intolerance. Number three is hydrolyzed infant formula. The proteins in this formula are broken down for easier digestion. It is a good formula option for babies with sensitive tummy or allergy prone babies. Number four is specialized baby formula for premature babies or for babies with specific medical needs, always recommended by doctors. Number five is organic formulas made with natural ingredients. Nutritionally, they are the same, but made with fewer lesser addictive or pesticides. Formulas are also in different forms. Number one is the powdered form formula. It is cheaper and can be gotten anywhere. It is the main type of formula people know. Number two is the liquid concentrate. You always mix this one with water before feeding your baby. It's rarely available. Number three is ready to feed. Almost all developed countries are using the ready-to-feed formulas because it is the most convenient, and even if you just gave birth, you can give your baby this formula immediately. Now, how do you find the right formula for your baby? Number one, talk to your pediatrician first, especially if your baby has any allergies or medical needs. Number two, start with a standard formula. Most babies do well with a regular cow mix based formula. Number three, watch for your baby's cruise. Gassiness, fusiness, or crying may mean that the formula isn't right for your baby. Watch out. Number four, give it time. Give your baby time to adjust to the new formula. Do not switch immediately. Take it gradually. Number five, think of the cost and convenience. Are you able to afford it, and is it convenient for you? Powdered one is cheaper and affordable. The ready to make is good also, but is on the high side. And finally, remember, there is no one size that fits it all. Choose what's best for you and for your baby. Let's look at some myths and facts. 1. Formula fed baby aren't as healthy. That's not true. Formula babies are healthy and many babies thrive on it. 2. You should never switch formula. That's also not true. Switching formulas can be the best thing that happens to you. Just give it time and talk to your doctor. Finally, feeding your baby is not a competition. Whether breastfeeding, formula feeding, combo feeding, they are all good. Just do what works for you, for your baby's growth and development. If you have watched up to this moment, thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and comment. Share what is working for you right now for your baby. Do not forget to subscribe. If this video has really helped you a lot, hit the subscribe button and let's get you more educated on feeding your babies. I will see you in my next video. Thank you and bye.